Hi everyone, and welcome to the Ultimate Data Analytics course for beginners. My name is Santi, and I've been working in analytics for the past 15 years. In this course, I will take you through how data-driven processes work and how to make data-driven decisions. I don't have to tell you that we live in the information era. I have seen entire companies transforming through data. Did you know that analytics is one of the top skills requested by recruiters? Every role, every position requires analytics thinking and understanding of how data and analytics works. By the end of this course, you will be able to talk confidently about aspects like business intelligence or data science. You will also understand and be able to apply analytical thinking to your day-to-day tasks. This course has 3 modules. The first one, what is analytics? The second, the different disciplines within analytics, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. The third one is the data lifecycle, from collection, storage, to visualization and data modeling. This training is especially useful for students or fresh graduates that want to understand how data is used in the professional world. Professionals looking for an upskill opportunity, or more general, marketeers, bloggers, social media managers, or anyone that is working on digital channels. If you want to take this course for free, just fill up the survey that is in the comments and I will be sending you a link as soon as the course is finished. See you soon!